Hello everyone. Today we will be unboxing the remaining 2 colors from the Digimon 20th Wave 2 set, thus completing the Wave 2 collection. This time the green and orange will have the Coronamon egg, and the yellow and gray will have the Lunamon egg. I'm going to start with the green and orange, and as you can see I already snipped the tape on the sides for this video, so I won't have to fumble with a pair of scissors or a knife. Wow, that actually has a really nice emerald color. And after a quick scan through the manual, I can say that it seems identical as usual. Nothing new here. Next I'm going to open the yellow and gray, and I gotta be honest, this pea yellow might be my least favorite color of all the English Digivices. But hey, if you like yellow and you like Digimon, then this is probably a dream come true for you, so more power to you. Alright, and here they are side by side, and I gotta say I'm getting very Michelangelo vibes from the green and orange one, and because of that it's really growing on me. I really like this one in particular. And now we have all 4 transparent colors, thus completing the second wave of the 20th anniversary Digivices. I am just so grateful that Bandai has sent 4 more beautiful colors our way here in America. Once again, I do recommend checking out their Facebook page for the latest news on Digivices, because they have, as you may or may not know, teased yet a 3rd wave of Digivices, and that will be the place to go to get news on that. So with that, I really appreciate you guys tuning in to watch me unbox these awesome little Digivices. So stay tuned for much more. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know down in the comments which of this second wave you think looks the coolest. Which one of these color combos, which one of these transparent color combinations do you like the most? Alright, thanks for watching.